I'm going to show you exactly how to make your own castor oil pack at home, and you will love the benefits of castor oil. We know that it helps with liver detoxification, so gently cleansing that liver out, helping to stimulate circulation in the liver and the other internal organs. That's one of the other reasons why the castor oil pack is effective at relieving constipation. If you've got a lot of gas and bloating, this can really be helpful using that castor oil pack and doing it regularly. It can also help with menstrual cramps, ladies. Yes, if you've got PCOS and pain with endometriosis, I love the castor oil and have used this with my patients very effectively for these types of pain and inflammation as well. And we know that the research shows now that castor oil packs can actually help with improving immunity, strengthening your immune system, which is another fantastic benefit. But now let me show you how to make that castor oil pack. Okay, so you're going to get some high quality castor oil, ideally in a glass bottle, and it should be hexane free and cold pressed. Now you're going to apply that castor oil all over a cotton pad, or it could be flannel. Just make sure that it's unbleached. I'm using an old baby blanket that I've washed in my own laundry detergent, which of course doesn't have any toxins in it, no bleach, and no fabric softener. You don't want, because we know that castor oil is very deeply penetrated into your body, we don't want to be adding chemicals when we're doing that castor oil pack. So basically what you're going to do is soak your pack with the castor oil so it's quite saturated, and then what you're going to do is apply that saturated pack to your abdomen. And I like to cover my liver, so covering the entire abdominal area just below the rib cages is amazing. And then you're going to, if you do have a waist trainer, you can easily purchase these waist trainers at home. You're going to put that waist trainer to secure your castor oil pack around the abdomen. Now, if you're new to doing castor oil packs, you're just going to leave this on for about 45 minutes. You may want to put a hot water bottle on top to increase that heat penetration and that anti-inflammatory effect, helping to stimulate that blood flow. It's however not recommended if you do have your period, ladies, because it can increase your blood flow, but either before or after your cycle, this is indicated. Now, if you've got the PCOS, the endometriosis, great, because it's stimulating that blood flow, that anti-inflammatory effect, which is amazing. So you're going to leave that on for 45 minutes. Now, if you've done castor oil pack, you've done regular detoxification, you can actually leave this on overnight. And this is the way that I do it. I just put it on at bedtime with my waist trainer and then remove it in the morning. Now with that pack, you can actually save the pack and use it again without washing it. You can use it 2 to 3 times without washing the actual pack. And what I do is I keep this by my bedside in a glass jar and reuse it for the next time. So that's a super convenient way to reuse that castor oil pack. But I will say, if you do have a lot of detoxing to do, you know that you are quite toxic, you may not want to use the castor oil pack more than once. So just get enough of your flannel packs or baby blankets that you can use once per castor oil pack. So I hope you use this castor oil pack. Please let me know how you're feeling. Put it in the comments below. I want to hear your feedback. Now, for another great way to use castor oil, you can actually make a lash growth serum, and I have my recipe in this other video, lash growth serum that works. I'll see you there.